Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CReaToR token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, CReaToR CRTR is the native utility token powering FanQuest, a Web3 platform designed to directly connect content creators, IP owners, and their fans through blockchain-based incentives. Web3 creators platform, it is the economic engine for FanQuest, a project by fandom creators focusing on the creator economy and fan engagement. Multi-functional utility token CRTR is used for purchasing exclusive content, accessing events, staking for rewards, and participating in platform governance. Self-sustaining ecosystem. The token facilitates a circular economy where platform revenue from services is distributed as rewards to engage users. CRTR token total supply is 2 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. CRTR token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.